In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to delete unwanted interests from your Pinterest home feed. If your feed has drifted into topics you don't care about, a quick tune-up will help Pinterest learn what you actually want to see. We'll walk through the built-in controls that let you remove the pins and ideas influencing your recommendations. Start by opening Pinterest in your web browser or the Pinterest app and make sure you're signed in. From there, open the menu labeled Settings and Support. It may appear as a drop-down from your profile photo or as a menu icon, depending on your device, but the wording is the same. Click it, then choose Settings to open your account's main control panel. Inside Settings, look for the option called Refine Your Recommendations. This is the place Pinterest provides to manage how your home feed is shaped. Think of it like your recommendation history. It gathers signals from your recent activity and shows the pins that are currently nudging your feed in certain directions. Once you're on Refine Your Recommendations, review the content listed there. If you see pins or themes that don't reflect your interests, you can remove them from influencing your feed. Simply click on whichever pin you want to remove from suggestions. When you select it, Pinterest records that signal and stops using that pin to inform future recommendations. You may be asked to confirm, and after that, the pin's influence is removed. Keep going and click through any other pins that feel off-topic, outdated, or just not relevant anymore. Take your time here. It's helpful to scan for patterns. Maybe there's a cluster of a certain style, hobby, or product you don't want. Removing a handful of representative pins will make the biggest difference without requiring you to clear everything. Remember, recommendations adapt over time. You may not see changes instantly, but your home feed will gradually refresh as you continue browsing and saving content you do like. A few practical tips as you tidy up. Revisit this, refine your recommendations page periodically, especially after a burst of activity that pulled your feed in the wrong direction. Be mindful of what you click, save, or expand, since any engagement can teach the algorithm. And balance removals by actively saving or following topics you enjoy to reinforce the right signals. That's it. Open Pinterest, go to Settings and Support, select Settings, head into Refine Your Recommendations, and click the pins you no longer want shaping your suggestions. With a few thoughtful removals, your home feed will feel fresher, more relevant, and far more you.